Hello, I'm Tom, and I'd like to explain how to take apart the S-Boston hand warmer in the safest possible way without damaging it. The way it works is that this piece here is actually clipped into this through these two plastic nubs and this single plastic nub. So to take it apart, you need to remove the bottom half, turn it upside down. When you look in here, you'll notice there's a little bit of a gap in between this and the wall. So take the knife, put it in there, and very, very carefully push up to get those nubs out of the aluminum. And push up on the plastic. Oops. Like this. As you can see, it's moving a little out of there. Just wiggle it around until you can get it out. Maybe put your finger underneath the other side so you get the other nub out. And this all comes right out. And in doing this, it's a lot less likely to damage it. You could, in theory, take this metal bit out, but then you'd have to crimp this and bend it a lot, which I did, and I was not a fan of that. So that's how you do it. When you're done, push these in a little. Ooh, not that much. Just a little bit, so that way you can put this back. Like this. Oh, make sure you put this piece, the plug, back on the left side. Alright. Work that back in. It's a little difficult with the plug. It's easier with this straight up. Turn with the camera though. There you go. See how it clips in? And it's back. And if you take this top piece off, you can replace the pad a lot easier. Alright, that's how to deal with the S-Boston hand warmer. Thank you for watching.